For the first strategy, we're going to mark the known part and whole amounts on the hundreds chart, count on counters from part to whole amount, then identify the amount counted. The problem states Garrett is organizing the socks at the clothing store. There are 32 yellow and red socks altogether. 16 are red socks. The rest of the socks are yellow. How many are yellow socks? I'll start by marking the known part 16 and the known whole 32 on the hundreds chart. Next, I will count on counters from the part to the whole amount and identify the amount counted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There are 16 yellow socks. For the second strategy, we're going to show the whole amount on the place value chart, subtract the known part, then count the remaining counters. The whole amount is 32, so I will place 32 counters on the place value chart. Next, I will subtract the known part, which is 16. We don't have enough in the ones place, so we will have to regroup a set of 10 from the tens place. Now we just need to count the remaining counters. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 socks are yellow.